Europe on a shoestring. Yes, it's possible. Imagine exploring the iconic landmarks and vibrant cultures without emptying your wallet. Europe can seem expensive. Stories of pricey cities and luxury vacations fill travel magazines, making it seem out of reach for many. But here's the truth. Europe is achievable on a budget. With a bit of planning and smart choices, you can experience its wonders. You don't need to be rich to experience its magic. Affordable adventures await you in every corner of this diverse continent. This guide is your roadmap to affordable European adventures. We'll show you how to stretch your budget without sacrificing the experience. We'll explore practical tips and tricks to make your travel dreams a reality. From finding cheap flights to budget-friendly activities, from budget accommodations to savvy transportation, we've got you covered. Learn how to navigate cities like a local and save money. Get ready to discover hidden gems, savor delicious food, and immerse yourself in the local culture without spending a fortune, and create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Your dream European adventure is more attainable than you think. Your European journey begins now. Pack your bags and get ready to explore Europe on a budget. Sleeping cheap hostels, Airbnb, and affordable options. These choices can make your travel dreams come true without breaking the bank. Accommodation often takes a big bite out of your travel budget, leaving you stressed about expenses. But fear not, Europe offers fantastic alternatives to pricey hotels, ensuring you can still enjoy your trip. Hostels are your budget best friend, offering a range of options from dorms to private rooms. They provide safe, social, and incredibly affordable lodging, perfect for meeting new friends. You'll meet like-minded travelers from around the world, sharing stories and tips. Many hostels offer private rooms for couples or those seeking more privacy, blending comfort with affordability. Airbnb is another excellent option, providing unique stays. Rent a room in a local's home or an entire apartment for a fraction of the cost of a hotel, often with more amenities. This gives you a chance to experience local life firsthand, from markets to neighborhood cafes. Consider staying in less touristy neighborhoods to save money and enjoy a quieter experience. Prices often drop as you move away from the city center, offering better deals. Plus, you'll discover authentic local gems, making your trip even more memorable. Riding the rails and roads, budget-friendly transportation options are plentiful in Europe. Europe's excellent public transportation system is a budget traveler's dream come true, offering a variety of options. Trains offer scenic routes and connect major cities efficiently, making them a popular choice for travelers. Look for discounted train tickets online or at the station to save money. Booking in advance or traveling during off-peak seasons can save you a bundle, allowing you to stretch your budget further. Consider night trains to save on accommodation costs, as they provide both transportation and a place to sleep. Buses are your wallet's best friend, offering a cost-effective way to travel between cities. They might be slower than trains, but they're significantly cheaper and offer scenic views. Europe has an extensive bus network covering even the smallest villages, ensuring you can reach remote areas. Within cities, walk or bike whenever possible to save money and stay active. It's free, healthy, and allows you to soak up the local atmosphere and culture. Many cities offer bike-sharing programs for convenient exploration, making it easy to get around without spending much. Section 4. Eating like a local, spending like a traveler. Food is, well, an integral part of any travel experience. But dining out for every meal can quickly deplete your funds. Embrace local markets. They're a feast for the senses and your wallet. Purchase fresh produce, cheese, bread, and local delicacies for delicious and affordable picnics. Try street food stalls and small family-run restaurants. These hidden gems often offer authentic and budget-friendly meals. Look for lunch specials and prix-fixe menus. Restaurants often offer discounted meals during off-peak hours. Section 5. Planning is key-free sites and activities. Europe is brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking sites, many of which are completely free to enjoy. Research, free walking tours. They're a fantastic way to discover hidden gems and learn about the city's history from a local perspective. Take advantage of free museum days. Many museums offer free admission on certain days of the week or month. Plan your visits accordingly. Parks, gardens, and public squares are your free entertainment hubs. Relax, people watch, and enjoy the ambience of your surroundings. Section 6. Your European adventure awaits. Exploring Europe on a budget is not a myth. It's an exciting reality waiting for you to discover. By embracing these tips, you can create unforgettable memories without overspending. Remember, flexibility is key. Be open to adjusting your itinerary, trying new things, and embracing the unexpected. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and inspiration, it's time to plan your European escapade. Share your own budget travel tips in the comments below and subscribe for more travel advice and inspiration. Your next adventure awaits.